This token is pumping secretly. It is highly undervalued and no one is talking about it right now. AI pump. This token name is AI pump. So you can see the market price is the token price is currently $0.0134. So it is pumped almost 24% within 24 hours. So if we look at the graph little bit, as you can see that this token was launched nearly 8 8 January. It was all at the all time high of almost, you can say, 0.35, something like that. 0.035, something like that. It was the all time high and now it is at the lowest of the point. And I have spotted some whales who have accumulated these tokens, so it can be very good opportunity right now. I'm not giving any financial advice to you. So please do your own research before investing into any tokens, because crypto market is highly volatile. It can go either very fast up and down. So if you can't handle the extreme volatility in the crypto markets, so you should not invest in any tokens. So right now I'm talking about this. Currently it is now at 5 millions of market cap. So it is extremely undervalued and no one is noticing and no one is talking about this right now. So if I check it a little bit, the website, let me open it. This is the website of aiPUMP. You can see the pretty much details from here. You can get the idea what they are doing and their teams are doing. As you should check out on this, I will not talk more longer on this because the video will be very lengthy. You can check it on yourself. And this is the Twitter handle of this token. You can see the all the recent post posted by them. Currently they are having almost 1,72,000 followers on Twitter handles. It is not showing directly on my app. Let me just refresh one more time. Okay, you can check the Twitter also. Let me just open this. Let me show you their recent post. Where is it? What I wanted to show you is that it is not showing properly on the browser. You can go on your Twitter app and check out this Twitter handles. So what I wanted to show you is that they announced the all the big exchanges listings, and they had done also kucoin, gateio, mexc. These are the big exchanges, centralized exchanges, where all the popular tokens released and launched, and then pump is going very high. So anytime it can pump. I'm not sure, but I have seen some of the millionaire whales who have bought these tokens at a very large quantity, not little bit. They have bought this at a large quantity and they are still holding it strongly. And probably they might be insider, they might have some informations. So I am giving you this early information so you can do your own research. So if you wanted to invest, then do your own research and then try to invest. You can buy on this mxc, wherever you want. mxc, kucoin, gateio. You can buy through base blockchain also, solana blockchain also. It is also available on radium. So that's what I wanted to show you. This is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. My price prediction for this is minimum 20x, minimum 20x it will do. It is right now at the 5 million market cap. It will go 100 millions anytime, anytime, no guarantee. It can go because this is recently newly launched, and the newly launched tokens doesn't go accumulating on very longer time period. So this can do well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.